Hi guys, welcome to my channel, that is Techno Web Hack, and this will be the first video of this series for the Metasploit framework, hacking through the Metasploit framework. So the next videos that will be coming after this, which will be showing you the practical sessions in this. So those who are beginners, who are not aware about the virus and worms and all those basic terms, please make sure that you will be you have gone through all those basic terms, because we are directly jumping into the Metasploit framework in Kali Linux now. So let's start. We are already directly inside the Kali Linux. Let's open terminal, and when you open the MSF console command, like let me exit it and show it out. MSF console. So you will be opening the Metasploit framework using this command. So Metasploit is, what is Metasploit first? So it is like a collection of the exploits and payloads and encoders and NOPs. So what is encoder and what is NOP, what is exploit, what is payload, these all things that will be covering up in this video as a basic terms. So you can see now the Metasploit framework that's just opened. You can show here the 1828 exploits are there, 1023 auxiliary are there, 318 posts are there, 541 payloads and encoder and NOPs are there. So we'll be looking into these basic terms of what exactly is exploits, payloads and all these things. So exploit is nothing but a piece of a software or a chunk of a data, or you can say a sequence of a command that takes the advantage of a bug of the vulnerability, that defines a module that uses a payload. It can be also defined as like this. So this is like a code that uses a payload. And now what is meant by payload exactly? So payload means it's like a remote exploitable tool or a code, or also you can say this is the code that will exploit at the remote side, and who will with the help of the exploit this payload will be exploit in that remote or the target system, you can say that. Okay, so next one is the encoders, like it will help you, or it will help your payload to reach their destination, or to reach the destination of the target, okay, target system. The next one is NOPs. So what NOPs it does? So NOPs is like it will help to reduce the size of your payload, because the smaller the size of your payload, the chances of attack are more and higher. So I will show you how you can search for this. Like if you can just type a search exploit, you can see number of payloads, exploits coming up over here, and you can see the healths like excellent, normal, great. Okay, according to this you can go for the excellent health, those who are having. Okay, so you can see the exploits like exploit Windows file format, like this. So many exploits are there, which we will be looking into the later videos. Okay, the same way you can search for the payloads. Okay, this is the payloads, like a payload Windows x64 VNC inject, reverse TCP, HTTP, like this kind of payloads that they used for the server to get a remote desktop. Like this, so many payloads are there. And we can search for the encoder the same way. Okay, you can see the encoders are here. I already told you what encoder means, like it will help your payload to reach their destination or the target system. Similarly, you can search for the NOPs. You can apply how you can apply that I will show you in the later videos. So this will help your payload to reduce the size, and yeah, this I will show you in the practical how we can do that. So this is about the basic terms that we have learned about the Metasploit, and in the next videos we will be looking into the practical things, how we can go ahead and we can use these exploits and payloads and hack into the target system. So if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it so that you will getting the notification about the next videos. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching.